Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, January 16, 2024 on our channel. Vertiv opens new manufacturing facility and test lab in India. BESA has appointed Simon Lunt as its first head of business development. Constellation Cold Logistics announces opening of its 18,500 pallet expansion in Nijkerk. The Heat Pump Association released its newest report unlocking widescale heat pump deployment in the UK. AHRI offers 7 free educational sessions at AHR Expo. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Vertiv opens new manufacturing facility and test lab in India. Vertiv, a global provider of critical digital infrastructure and continuity solutions, announced the opening of a new manufacturing facility in Nijkerk, Pune, India, to meet the surging demand for data centers and supporting infrastructure solutions globally, including India and the APAC region. The new plant manufactures thermal management products and solutions tailored for colocation, cloud, telecom, and enterprise data centers, catering to both domestic and international markets. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. BESA has appointed Simon Lunt as its first head of business development. The Building Engineering Services Association, BESA, has appointed Simon Lunt as its first head of business development as part of a wider strategic review. Lunt brings extensive and varied experience to this new role, having started his career in the chemical industry in Scandinavia with Chem Oy before moving into the health and AMP safety sector, covering the UK construction, manufacturing, and facilities management sectors at ARCO. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Constellation Cold Logistics announces opening of its 18,500 pallet expansion in Nijkerk. Constellation Cold Logistics, Constellation, announces the opening of its 18,500 pallet expansion project in Nijkerk, the Netherlands. Construction was completed in December 2023, and the expansion is already filling up with product from existing and new customers. Constellation's Nijkerk site now boasts over 65,000 pallet spaces of frozen storage capacity, as well as facilities for blast freezing, repacking, and other value-added services. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. The Heat Pump Association released its newest report unlocking widescale heat pump deployment in the UK. As the UK government considers how to meet its legally binding net zero emissions target by 2050, it is clear there is a critical need for highly efficient and sustainable solutions in the heating sector. Heat pumps are emerging as the cornerstone of this transition, offering extremely efficient, low-carbon alternatives to classic heating systems for both residential and commercial applications. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. AHRI offers 7 free educational sessions at AHR Expo. The Air Conditioning, Heating and Refrigeration Institute, AHRI, will co-sponsor an exhibit at the 2024 AHR Expo, to be held January 22 to 24 at the McCormick Place Convention Center in Chicago, Illinois. The AHR Expo is the world's largest HVACR marketplace event and will host more than 1,600 exhibitors across more than 550,000 square feet of exhibit space and attracting more than 50,000 attendees, including a diverse group of international industry professionals. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.